Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us. We are excited to bring you this overview on ETAP 22. So let's go ahead and get started. The next capability that we've added is the ability to hide and show elements. Let's take the same section of the diagram that we were previously using, which has a flow of 85.9 amps. The use case is plain and simple. We want to hide the details in this particular diagram and only show the substation values. So we can simply take, once again, our diagram and hide this portion of the diagram. The flow remains the same. You can see a indication point letting us know that there's more details associated with this circuit breaker, but we have simplified the diagram to only show what is the flow going into this section of the system. To bring it back, you can simply expand or unhide and bring your diagram back. ETAP 22 has thousands of new enhancements, features, and capabilities. Thank you.